When considering new replacement windows in Muncie, Indiana, you might have a few questions. Replacement windows bring many benefits, including better savings, curb appeal, and a fresh aesthetic. Some homeowners might wonder, will new windows increase the value of my home? Luckily for you, the short answer is yes, and Clemens Home Solutions will show you how. Replacement windows will undoubtedly be an upgrade over older windows, but when should you consider replacing your windows? The most obvious sign is that yours are getting too old. As windows age, they degrade in efficiency and quality. This can lead to drafty windows that cost you hundreds each year in energy costs. And this is where the value of new replacement windows comes into play. Replacement windows not only help lower energy costs, indirectly saving you money each year, but also increase the value of your home by giving it stronger, more efficient, and more beautiful windows. Replacement windows not only look better and last longer, but save you money in the long run and increase your home's value. So why wouldn't you replace yours? If you need replacement windows in Muncie, Indiana, contact Clemens Home Solutions today at 765-358-7535 to get a free quote.